what we need as our material. I'll be using these 3 shades of yarn. Winter King 4-ply, a medium weight yarn. It weighs 50 grams. It's 100% acrylic. I used 4 skeins. I'm also going to use this shade. It's the same as this one, Winter King 4-ply, 100% acrylic. It weighs 50 grams. I'm also going to use 4 skeins. I'll be using another brand, Robin, 100% acrylic. It weighs 50 grams. It's a lightweight yarn and I'll be using 4 skeins. We also need a hook. I'm going to use a 3mm hook, bending needle to weave in the end. Also need a pair of scissors, a tape measure to measure our work. So let's get into it. You're going to start by working foundation chains that are equivalent to our size, our length size. I'm working a size extra small to small. So I'm going to start by working a slip knot. So grab your hook and your yarn, then start by working a slip knot. Then you're going to chain a multiple of 3 by 3 by 3 by 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. My chains are equivalent to 60 inches. So next I'm going to work a double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2, then pull through 2 and insert your hook into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2, then pull through 2 into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2, then pull through 2. So you're working double crochets across. So proceed. I'm going to meet you here. The last stitch of our first row, place a double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. You're going to skip the first 2 stitches from the hook, 1, 2, and into a 3rd stitch, work a double crochet, then chain 1, then add another double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches from the hook and work a double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. So yarn over into the 3rd stitch, work a double crochet, chain 1, then add another double crochet, skip 2 stitches from the hook into the 3rd one, yarn over and work a double crochet, chain 1, then add another double crochet, yarn over, skip 2 stitches from the hook into the 3rd stitch, work a double crochet, chain 1, add another double crochet. So you're going to repeat this across. I'll meet you here. The second last stitch of our second row, you're going to skip 2 stitches from the hook and into the 3rd one, work a double crochet, chain 1, add another double crochet in the same stitch. Then you're remaining with 1 stitch, work a double crochet into that stitch. Remaining with 2 loops on our hook, we are going to change color from hot pink to light pink. So yarn over and pull through 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then turn your work. You're going to skip the first stitch from the hook, the next stitch from the hook, and into chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets. skip 2 stitches from the hook and into 1 chain space, add 3 double crochets into this space, skip 2 stitches from the hook and into the next chain 1 space from the hook, work 3 double crochets, skip 2 stitches from the hook into chain 1 space from the hook, work 3 double crochets. So you're going to repeat that all. I'll meet you here. Almost at the end of our third row, add 3 double crochets into the last V-stitch, chain 1 space, then yarn over and go into the third chain and work a double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then turn your work. You're going to skip 2 stitches from the hook, 1, 2, and into the third one, work a double crochet, chain 1, then add another double crochet in the very stitch, skip 2 stitches from the hook, yarn over, and into the third stitch, work a double crochet, chain 1, add another double crochet. You're going to skip 2 stitches from the hook into the third one, yarn over, and work a double crochet, chain 1, add another double crochet in the same stitch. So it's a repeat of V-stitch, the last V-stitch of our fourth row. Skip 2 stitches from the hook and into the third stitch, place a double crochet, chain 1, then add a double crochet in the same stitch. The last double crochet, we are going to work an incomplete double crochet in the third chain, 1, 2, 3, the third chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, remaining with 2 loops on your hook. Drop your light pink yarn and grab your hot pink yarn, then yarn over and pull through 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and at this point you're going to turn your work as so, then skip the first stitch from the hook, the next stitch from the hook, and into chain 1 space, work 3 double crochets into that chain 1 space, into the next chain 1 space, of course skipping the first stitch and then next stitch from the hook, into chain 1 space, add 3 double crochets, skip 2 stitches from the hook and into the next chain 1 space from the hook, add 3 double crochets. So it's a repeat row 4 and 5, row 4 and 5 to your appropriate width. I'll meet you there. This is what we have so far: 60 inches long, 13 inches width. Next, you're going to create a border on top of our work at the base of our work using our navy blue yarn. Not yet done with the last double crochet stitch. So I'll yarn over, go on top of my third chain, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2, remaining with 2 loops, and I've doubled my strand to achieve a medium weight yarn. So I'll pull through those 2 loops, then chain 1 and cut your hot pink yarn, then tie a knot here to secure your work. Then you're going to turn your work at the right side and skip the first chain from the hook and into the next stitch, work a single crochet stitch, into the next stitch, work a single crochet stitch, and you're going to work 7 double crochet into chain 1 space. So yarn over and work 7 double crochets into chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then move into the next stitch from the hook and work a single crochet, into the next stitch from the hook and work a single crochet, into chain 1 space. You're going to work 2 single crochets into chain 1 space, into the next stitch a single crochet, then into the next stitch a single crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 stitches in between our shell. So work 7 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move into the next stitch from the hook and work a single crochet, into the next stitch from the hook, work a single crochet, into chain 1 space, 2 single crochets, 4 single crochets so far, then into the next stitch a single crochet, into the next stitch a single crochet, then 7 double crochets into chain 1 space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So proceed the last shell, work a double crochet, 7 double crochets in that chain 1 space, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then work a single crochet in the next stitch from the hook and into the third chain, a single crochet, chain 1, then with your scissor cut your yarn. So we are going to do that the base of our work. At the right side of your work, reattach your yarn, into the first stitch, insert your hook, then into the loop and pull it through, yarn over and pull through, into the next stitch, work a single crochet, Then into the next space in between the double crochets, work 7 double crochets in between those 2 double crochets, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then move into the next stitch and work a single crochet, 6 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then into the next space, work 7 double crochets in between those 2 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last double crochet for second shell. So you're going to repeat that all through. To this end. The next step, you're going to work on the sleeves, so fold your work as so, the wrong side and the wrong side facing each other. You're going to reattach our yarn. So grab your yarn and hook and work a slip knot. Then into the first row at the bottom, insert your hook here and into the loop, then pull it through. Then into the next side, the first row at the bottom, insert your hook, pull up a loop, then pull through. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. That one counts as a double crochet. So next you're going to work a double crochet in each row, 1 double crochet, add another double crochet in the same row, then move into the next row and work a double crochet, then add another double crochet into the next row, a double crochet, then add another double crochet. So it is 2 double crochets in each row. Two double crochets in each row. The last double crochet, go on top of your first double crochet with 3 chains on top and work a slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're not turning our work. So the next round, you're going to start by working a front post double crochet on our first double crochet. So go around our first double crochet and work a front post double crochet. Then in the next double crochet next to the hook, go around at the back and work a back post double crochet. So you're alternating a double crochet and you're alternating a front front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. So in the next double crochet, work a front post double crochet, next double crochet, a back post double crochet. So go around and work a back post double crochet. In the next double crochet from the hook, a front post double crochet, next double crochet from the hook, a back post double crochet. So you're going to alternate a sew all round. I'll meet you here. Then in the second round, go on top of the first stitch, a double crochet stitch on top and work a slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 3. That one is a double crochet, and you're going to repeat what you've done in the first round. Where there is a front post double crochet, work a front post double crochet, and where there is a back post double crochet, go around and work a back post double crochet. Where there is a front post, repeat and work a front post double crochet, and where there is a back post, work a back post double crochet. So you're going to repeat that to your desired length. Mine is about 11 inches long. The next step, you're going to join this part on top of our sleeve about 3.5 to 4 inches on top. So you're going to feed in your yarn into your needle, a darning needle, then insert your needle here, then pull. Then you're going to go into the first stitch a sew on this side, then on the next side the first stitch, then move on this side the next stitch and insert your hook and pull it through, then into the next stitch on the next side, insert your hook and pull it through. On this side the next stitch, insert your needle and pull it through. Then to the other side, insert your needle and pull it through. So you're going to do about 3 to 4 inches. Once you're done weaving the ends at the back of your work, the wrong side of your work, you're going to weave in that yarn. Then cut your yarn. So go on and do the other sleeve. Then once you're done weaving the ends,